Is Cider legit? How to use it? Cider is a globally minded, social-first fashion brand that offers a wide range of trendy and affordable clothing for everyone, everywhere. Cider is legit and safe to buy from, according to many positive customer reviews and ratings on various platforms. Cider also has a high rating on Trustpilot, with 4.5 stars out of 5 based on over 320,000 reviews. To use Cider, you can visit their official website or download their app from the App Store or Google Play. You can browse their collections by moods, categories, or new arrivals, and find your favorite styles and sizes. You can also use the filters and search bar to narrow down your options. Once you find something you like, you can add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. You can also create an account to save your preferences, track your orders, and earn rewards. Cider offers free shipping on orders over $49 and 15% off your first order with the promo code. You can also find great deals and discounts on their clearance section. Cider ships to more than 130 countries and accepts various payment methods, such as credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. Cider also has a friendly and helpful customer service team that you can contact via email or chat if you have any questions or issues.